Good morning grade 3 and welcome to the English class. Well children, today our topic is verbs. Now children, you have studied this topic verbs in grade 2 and also in grade 1. So who would remind me what are verbs? Yes, what do you understand by verbs? Yes, verbs are action or doing words. What do I mean by this, children? Action or doing words? Right now what I am doing, children? What was I doing? Writing. Right? And what are you all doing, children? You are learning. I am also teaching. So all these children, they are action words. Writing, learning, teaching, then playing, singing, dancing, eating. All these are verbs. Now children, we have done two lessons. One is Eric the Viking and one is who were the Vikings. Can you remember or tell me any verbs from there? You can look into your text. Okay? You may pause and look into your text and find out the verbs from these two lessons. Something which is very easy, which is coming to your mind, children. Yes, children, from this lesson, can you remember? Now, look and tell me. The easiest one which comes to our mind is, children, rowing, sailed. These are all verbs. Right? Even this, if you see sought, guard, right? So these are all verbs because they are action words. They are doing words. So children, now let's see some examples. Okay? Let's go to some examples and let's see what are verbs. Let me see if you can identify them. Let's take these examples, children. I have written a few sentences here. So let's see if you can do these. Copy the sentences. I want you children all to read this. Please read, children. Copy the sentences and underline the verbs. The frightened rabbit leaped to its hole. Yes, so which is the verb over here, children? Which is the action or the doing word? Leaped. Leaped means to run or to jump. The clock strikes 10. So what is the verb over here, children? Strikes. The action is strikes. Okay? The flowers bloom. What's the action over here, children? Bloom. Good. Birds cheer. What's the action? Or what's the doing word? Cheer. The children laugh loudly. So, what's the doing word, children, here? Action word? Laugh. Very good. Okay. So, these are our They are known as verbs. Verbs are nothing but they are action words or doing words. Right? So children, for your homework, I want you to do, if you see this children, this unit 2, you can open your page to, I think it's on 20, yes, 2020. Can you see the grammar part here, children? And then you have capital A, right? So in capital A, 1 to 6, you're going to do this for homework. And I've also given you some extra sentences, children, for further practice. This one we have done, right? This one we have done. This, the lower part, children. This, underline the verbs. There are another 5 sentences. So I want you to do these 5 sentences. You just have to underline the verbs. Now children, this you will write the entire sentence in your notebook. Okay? So that's all from my side, children. Happy learning.